Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Slow English podcast from Flutalk English. We are so happy you're here.
Yes, welcome. Today we have something special for you. Many of you tell us, I can understand English, but speaking is hard. We understand. That's why we made this podcast.
This series is called the Slow English Podcast Series. It's perfect for beginners who want to improve their listening and speaking skills.
We speak slowly, clearly, and with love. Our goal is to help you feel relaxed, not stressed. You'll hear real-life stories and learn natural English in an easy way.
Let's begin with a simple story. A few weeks ago, my friend came over. Her name is Sarah. She is learning English, just like many of you.
Sarah speaks my language, Bengali. When we talked in Bengali, she was full of life, smiling, laughing, using big hand movements. But when we switched to English, she became quiet. Her hands stopped moving. She looked nervous. She said, "My English is not good."
But the truth is, her English is not bad. She was just scared. Her brain knew the words, but her mouth didn't want to move. Sound familiar?
Yes, maybe you feel this too. You watch English videos, you understand them, but when you speak, it's hard, like your voice is hiding. Let us tell you this, you are not broken. You are learning, and learning takes time. Speaking is not just about words, it's about confidence.
Confidence doesn't come first. It comes after practice, after mistakes, after trying again and again.
So if you feel blocked, it's not because you don't know English. It's because your brain is protecting you from fear of being wrong. But you don't need perfect English. You need brave English. Even if it's slow, even if it's simple, every word you speak is a small win.
Here's a good way to practice. It's called shadowing. Just listen to us and repeat what we say, like an echo. Don't think too much, just follow.
Let's try. I can speak English. Now you say it. I can speak English.
Next one. I just need to try. Say it with us. I just need to try.
Great. You can also talk to yourself. Yes, really. When you are cooking, say, I am making rice. When you are walking, say, the sky is blue. Talk to yourself every day. Even whispering helps. Your brain will learn. Your mouth will get used to English.
Also, bring your feelings into English. If you are happy, smile. If you are sad, say it slowly. Don't just say words, feel them.
For example, instead of I went to work, you can say, I was tired, but I still went to work. It's real. It's your story.
So remember, speak slowly, don't be afraid, practice daily, feel your words, and be kind to yourself.
Even one small sentence a day is progress. You don't need to rush. Just keep going.
When the world feels too fast, come back to us. This is your calm place, your space to grow.
Thank you for listening to Flutalk English. You are doing great, and we're proud of you.
If you liked this episode, try listening again and shadow the words. Speak along with us.
We'll see you next week with more soft English stories just for you. Take care of your voice It's ready when you are.